Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can stabilize all of your shaky videos on CapCut PC. So select the video that you want to stabilize. This one isn't very shaky. I'm just going to show you as an example though. And as you can see, if I selected the video, the stabilize button will appear. It's under basic. You're just going to select it. There are three levels that you can choose from: recommended, minimum cut, and most stable. If you want your videos to be super stable, make sure you select the most stable level of stabilization. And yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!